Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. In a recent twist, the CEOs of Meta and Spotify are rallying against the EU's AI regulations. They argue that these rules are about as clear as a foggy day in London and fear they could stifle innovation faster than a Spotify ad interrupting your favorite playlist.
So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go.
They're pushing for a more flexible approach, believing that strict regulations could make Europe the place where AI dreams go to die. The Meta and Spotify CEOs' fight against regulation is like a drummer insisting their solo needs no tempo. Chaotic, unpredictable, but somehow still trying to keep the beat. Clockwise has just rolled out its latest invention, an AI-powered interface named Prism, designed to make scheduling meetings smoother than a jazz sax solo. This new tool aims to optimize your calendar by learning from your habits and preferences, making sure you're not double booked or stuck in back-to-back meetings. It's like having a personal assistant who's never late and doesn't require coffee breaks. So say goodbye to the chaos of scheduling and hello to more productivity. With Prism, your calendar will be so well organized, it could give Gordon Ramsay a run for his money in the kitchen. No more overcooked meetings or under-seasoned agendas. In a surprising move, Elon Musk has thrown his weight behind California's new AI bill, which aims to put some guardrails on artificial intelligence development. Known for his unpredictable stances, Musk's support for regulation might just be as unexpected as finding a charging station in the middle of a desert. He's advocating for responsible AI growth, suggesting it's better to have some rules in place before the robots start lifting more than just weights. With Musk on board for AI rules, it's like he's hit the gym after years of skipping leg day, finally balancing the power. Anthropic has just unveiled the system prompt that powers Claude, their AI chatbot, showing us what makes this digital assistant tick. It's like they've pulled back the curtain on the Wizard of Oz, revealing how the magic happens.
We must be over the rainbow.
This glimpse into Claude's brain reveals the secret sauce that helps it understand and respond to users in a way that's more than just robotic. Now, the next time you chat with an AI, you might wonder if it's just reciting lines from a hidden script. Knowing how Claude works is like peeking into your favorite online store's algorithm. Now you realize why those shoe ads keep following you everywhere, just like Claude's replies. Viggle is shaking things up in the meme world by launching controllable AI characters for memes and visualizing ideas. It's like giving your favorite meme faces a brain transplant. They can now react, express, and even do a little dance at your command. This new tech could make your meme game stronger than ever, allowing you to create personalized digital characters who can tell jokes, make faces, and even star in your next online comedy sketch. The future of memes is here, and it's ready to be controlled by you. These AI characters for memes can do everything: react, express, and even dance. It's like they've evolved into digital performers. Just imagine, instead of arguing with your partner about what to watch next, you'll be debating with an AI meme about who's funnier. And spoiler alert, it's not you. Supio's bringing the power of generative AI into personal injury cases, which is like handing a digital detective a super suit. This tech marvel can sift through medical records, analyze accident data, and even predict case outcomes, making lawyers' lives easier and maybe just a bit scarier. Imagine Siri with a law degree. Your legal assistant now has an algorithm. This AI could be a game changer, but let's just hope it doesn't start overcharging for its services or getting moody over Zoom calls. If AI starts managing your legal issues, what's next? Relationship advice? I'm sorry, Dave, I'm afraid you've been ghosted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.